Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold Park and volume up. Oops, there we go. And this will give us our boot options. There we go. So select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold Power key and volume up again. Now when you see the Mi logo on the screen, I'll let go of the power key but keep holding volume up. And there we go. As you can see, that is how you boot into recovery mode. Now in here you'll need to use volume keys to navigate through the several options that we have access to, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going into the options, reboot will take us back to our OS. Then we have wipe data, which only includes factory reset of the device, as you can see. Connect with Mi Assistant, just an application, or connecting to an application, and boot the device into safe mode for troubleshooting. So there we go, those are all the options. I'm gonna stick with the first one, confirm it, reboot to system, and like I said, this will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.